Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and you keep getting this game error, please reboot and restart the game with the error code error fill pack 1. Then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on GTA 5 easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. You're going to download this file, and while it's downloading, you're going to open up a new tab and you're going to search for script2v. You're going to go onto this website from devc.com and you're going to download the script 5 software, and now open both of those rar files up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go into bin here on script 5, and then you're going to open up your GTA 5's folder. So you're going to paste all 4 of these files on your GTA 5's folder. If you want to play online, then don't paste this file, but if you want to play offline, then just paste all 4 of these in here. And after that, open up the second file that we just downloaded, and here you're going to paste both of these files into your GTA's directory. So once you paste all of those files in your GTA's directory, now when you try to play GTA 5, you'll see that your game will work correctly and you will not get that error fill pack anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.